बलराम का बदन बलराम का बदन निके निके है तो हमने उसका रस मिलता है हालेलुया हालेलुया हालेलुया
Kata ni dia mana kamu? Oh. Thank you. Oh, sorry. I thought. Thank you. So we'll be going to Aizawl with Gogo and all. Mosam and Drew. Mosam is coming.
So guys, we just left Kolasip and then we reached Bolpui, and right on the road you can see a beautiful scene here behind me. This place has also another significance. Down there behind me you can see those two rocks.
Every 31st.
The right side one is the female and the left side one is the male. At the end of the year, that is on 31st of December, every year they come over here to see the last sunset. People walk in this railing and then wait for the sunset. Thank you. Let's move on then. Guys, we haven't reached Aizawl yet. We just found two Royal Enfield fellow riders who are stuck there. They have a flat tire, and we are trying to help them out. There you can see behind me. I'll go over there and see. Let's check out what is happening. There's somebody that's coming. Shit, I asked them what happened. There is nothing much to worry. They have just got in touch with the local garage here and they will come over and fix the flat tire. In the meantime, we have Mr. Manish. Please tell me your experience till now.
Till now has been like really awesome. We are meeting some really cool people and they're very, very helpful. And yeah, I have been to some places in the Northeast, but I think like Mizo guys are the coolest one. Yeah, right?
Mizo guys are the coolest. Even I find that the traffic here is awesome. Okay,
yeah, very organized.
I mean, like you don't find so many vehicles on the road. And road is not the best, but then you find people drive their vehicles in a very disciplined manner. Okay, they will stop and then wait for their turn to come. So that's something very nice.
Plus, yeah, we are experiencing this time like there is no honking, like, you know, people rarely like honk their
Yes,
horns.
you rarely hear the honk of any bikes or cars. It's it's so peaceful. From now, what is the plan, by the way?
After reaching Aizawl, I think we will be visiting the in-laws of Gagan's place.
Gagan, yeah, Gagan is one of the rider I had introduced you in my earlier episode. So
We'll be visiting his in-laws.
we will be staying in his place, right?
Yeah, or
And-
maybe we'll go ahead of Aizawl and pitch our tent for tonight. Maybe, let's see.
But first, I'll have to cover up the local market, Aizawl market.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, we'll take them out.
Yes. Thank you, Manish. By the way, Kim is riding with us today.
I'm riding, they will never forget in their life
Why so?
because I am very slow. But one day, I promise, I'll be faster than anyone.
Anyone.
One shouldn't ride fast.
She'll be faster than Rossi.
Who is Rossi?
Valentina Rossi. Doctor.
So let's go and see. They have just taken out the tire and then they're taking to the garage now.
Come on, take you to the right.
Yes, Mr. Gagan is taking us over there. So you can see, we've taken out the tire. You know, in brotherhood while riding, we try to help out each other. So we are just taking some time, spending some time with the, because he's alone right now. His friend has taken the tire to the garage. So we are just waiting for some time. Happens, flat tires, sometimes crashes, all this kind of things happen. What do you say,
Breakdowns,
Gagan?
yeah.
Breakdowns happen.
Yeah, breakdowns happen.
All these are normal, part of the adventure.
Yeah, so whatever happens, we should not
Complain.
stop and like we have to
Proceed.
reach your destination.
Yes.
That's the motto.
In fact,
of
the
riding.
first time on 27th when we rode 22 hours from Shillong to Shillong to Kolasip,
Kolasip, yeah.
the venue for MEK. We rode.
We start on 27.
We started on 27 morning and reached on 28.
Actually, it doesn't
Morning.
mean we are bad riders. It means like it was raining so heavy.
It was raining heavily and
visibility was, I think, maximum 5 meters.
5 meters right.
Yeah. So,
And there,
so even though we reach our destination, so that's the main thing. We are happy, and we had.
But
a
we
good
had good time riding,
Yes,
right?
we
In
had good
spite of
time.
rain and everything. But of course, you are a very fast rider, and because of
No, I'm
you,
not fast. Yeah.
because of you, I almost had a breakdown. Anyways, everything is fun.
He's just giving me that excuse for last 2 days, and it's just
By
an
the
excuse.
way,
Don't
by
take
the
it
way,
seriously.
this guy is very rich. He
Yeah.
is very, very rich.
Yes, I'm rich from my heart.
Wow. This is what happens when you get flat tire. You have nothing much to do, so you go around. Rider's life. You sleep wherever you go, sit wherever you get the place to sit, and have fun. Sorry.
Roadside meeting like this.
Yes. He's fully asleep there. His friends are trying to wake him up. So guys, the tire has been fixed and then we'll be leaving now. So guys, we are taking another break. Right now we are in Liapui. We are on Sakaur Muituai Peak, which has an altitude of 1,535 meter above sea level, 5,036 feet. So behind me you can see the boat. And behind me you can see Chalfil mountain. Chal means forehead and Fil means mountain in Mizo. That means no forehead, just like mine. It's beautiful. That's the Chalfil mountain. It's one of the most popular tourist spots in Mizoram. So guys, you can see here, and you can see the distance. See, we have come from Guwahati 490 to Aizawl. From here we will take another 30 to 45 minutes to reach Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram. Behind me you can see my friends. They're taking some rest, and those are the bulls. All yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
We are full in love with you every single.
Hallelujah, Sabas, Hallelujah.
Hallelujah, तो हमें उस तरह से मिलता है। अनुराग का बदन
Yes.
अनुराग का बदन जमीन के नीचे
Hey.
हमें उस तरह से मिलता है। साबस
Hallelujah,
साबस हालेलुया साबस हालेलुया हमें उस तरह से मिलता है। अनुराग का बदन अनुराग का बदन जमीन के नीचे तो हमें उस तरह से मिलता है। Sabas, hallelujah, Sabas.
Guys, we just reached Dutlang. One of the club's secretary has invited us to come and have a tea over in his house. And Aizawl is some 20 minutes away from here. We still haven't reached Aizawl. This is Dutlang town. So we'll go inside and have a cup of tea. So there behind is his house. Go inside now. These are our bikes parked here. It's a beautiful house.
Yeah. So tomorrow. Yeah.
So this is Suya, this is his house, and when we met MEK in Kolasip, he invited us to have a cup of tea. In fact, he has invited us also for dinner.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So tea is very good. Wow, see the view from the balcony. It's so awesome. This is Dutlang town.
At night, no, it looks like a.
You'll see.
गाडी एखोनै नै गेरेज and where to begin? Hi, we are in Aizawl right now. It's cold here, but have a good time. एखोनै भराइ